Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including good quality cocoa powder, sugar, flour, eggs, and butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even baking from the start. Next, line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on two sides for easy removal. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Now, let's get to mixing. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Once melted, whisk in 1 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Then, add 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Finally, gently fold in 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder until just combined. Do not overmix the batter. With your batter ready, pour it evenly into the prepared 8 by 8 inch baking pan. Spread it out smoothly with a spatula. Place the pan in your preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. The edges should look set, but the center might still be slightly soft. A toothpick inserted near the edge should come out with moist crumbs. Let them cool completely on a wire rack. Once your brownies are completely cool, use the parchment paper overhang to lift them out of the pan. This makes cutting much easier and cleaner. Place them on a cutting board and slice into 16 even squares. You can enjoy them plain or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. They're perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.